How to turn on a link open externally on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off link open externally on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app and here click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Scroll down and click on media. Now you have the last option, which is link open externally in videos and photos setting. Just click on it and turn on this option or turn it off, whatever you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.